Hello and welcome back. Today we are automating printing using a Lisp function. We will build this Lisp function based on an AutoCAD command history we've got right here. It will be done with the help of ChatGPT. Exciting, right? So let's dive right in. Just before that, let's take it for a spin. We type print to PDF at the command prompt and hit enter. Now we just need to type in the layout name we want to print. And there you go, a PDF of plan 1 right where we specified. The beauty of this function is that it does not stop with just one layout. It goes into a loop asking us if we want to print another layout and continues to do so until we finally choose no. This is plan 3 printed out, and then plan 4 printed out, and finally we select no. Stop right there. Do you want to know how I did it? First, let's look at the command history we are working with. We started by invoking the -plot command. Then we stepped through a series of questions asked by AutoCAD. These questions let us define the layout name, the plotter to be used, and paper size, and so forth. You might have noticed that we often used abbreviations like M for millimeters, Y and N for yes and no, or L for landscape, or E for extents. And when we weren't sure about what input to give, we click the question mark to display available options. For example, we selected the DWG to PDF plotter for this task. After we finished answering all the questions, we successfully plotted our first layout. Now, our goal is to automate this manual process with a Lisp function. But before we get to that, what exactly is Lisp? Well, Lisp is one of the oldest high-level programming languages still in common use. AutoCAD uses it to create custom functions and automate tasks. It's powerful, and trust me, it can save you loads of time. Okay, let's dive in more. Remember the first layout I plot to a PDF file? I just took the detailed command history from the AutoCAD command line of the steps taken to plot it. I then copied this command history into a dialog box with an artificial intelligence model called ChatGPT. And my aim was to use ChatGPT to create a Lisp function to automate the printing process. But before doing so, I did some cleaning of the text, removing irrelevant information such as the full list of plotters available on my machine, leaving only the one I wanted to use for this task. I specifically requested the function to be named print to PDF. I initiated this attempt by automating the process of printing just one layout. However, as the process developed, we started enhancing it incrementally. We first introduced a feature to allow the user to manually input the desired layout name, for example. Eventually, we implemented a loop that would continuously repeat the process until the user opted not to proceed any further. And to be honest, throughout this journey, we faced a few hurdles, including some misunderstanding and errors with ChatGPT. But by feeding back the command history results and clarifying both the existing functionality and our intended outcome, we were able to guide ChatGPT in adjusting the code to align with our expectations. This iterative process truly showcased the power and potential of conversational AI in refining and perfecting our automated solutions. Here is the Lisp code we are going to use. This function, which we have named print to PDF, will take a layout name as input and generate a PDF using settings we specified. It will keep asking you for more layout names until you decide you are done. Let's now load this function into AutoCAD. Please refer to my video shown here for the steps. AutoCAD now knows our print to PDF function and we can use it right away. And look here, it worked! We have been able to print out 4 plans using the Lisp function. Don't you love when things just work? It's like seeing a perfectly dimensioned floor plan or flawless perspective view. It's the little things, right? And that's it, folks. A simple yet powerful way to automate your printing in AutoCAD. Give it a shot, experiment with it, and let me know how it goes. Remember, every minute you save on a repetitive task is a minute you can use for creative problem solving.